The former Assistant Inspector General of Police Meghalaya, K Ïangrai, had spoken to newspersons today after bail was granted to him with regards to 2 cases made against him. However, after the briefing, the CID had rearrested him after another case against him was registered.
For fear of my life, of myself and my family, that is my weapon which as I'm holding. If I open that scam, the entire, whoever is responsible will, but my life is under threat. My family's life is not threat. They have attacked my family. They have done everything to my family. You know that. And I am alive just because of my family. I'm single. If I die now, no problem. They can shoot from there. They can use sniper from there. They can use from anywhere. They have the power. They have everything. I don't have that. I have only a pen, and you must be knowing from the jail itself, I've been writing a lot of letters. I've completed 3 reams of letters in a period of 102 days. 102 days. Various letters I have written, and now these people have come. They will arrest me now because they are on the duress. They want to do, they will do. They have done everything. Even during my interrogation, my rights has been violated as per section 41D, in which I've asked for a presence of my lawyer. That was not given to me. Even my blanket, they tore it. They tore it. So much trauma they gave me. And did not even, my right to religion has been used. I want to hold my rosary. I am not going to crucify myself. I'm not going to, how do you call suicide? No, I cannot keep suicide with this rosary. Even that, just a pen paper also didn't allow me. And then what they do when I sleep at night, they put the mobile on so loud so that I can't sleep, so I'll be under total duress. When I complain, everyone say, I don't know, this is not my case. This is CID case. This is not OC. This is the thing. Where CID does not have a PS of the lock up of their own, so they keep me in police custody there, and then the kind of pressure they keep, and the kind of humiliation and character assassination. I'm totally naked. What is there for me? I can walk naked also because nothing is there. I'm only exposed. But before if I have to die also, others also will go, but at an appropriate time, appropriate level. I have so many things and so many RTIs I have filed from here which are yet to be revealed, and these will expose. And there is an imminent threat to my life and to my family. And this is highly political, all the highly political khaki vendetta, coupled with there's some media house which have been sponsored by some political parties which are doing, and then first and foremost, let me tell you how it started. It started with inquiry. You all know it came out in the newspaper. It started with inquiry, and during the inquiry, what happened? Even prior to the inquiry being completed, because law has to take its own course, they're scared that I might tamper with evidence. Who am I to tamper with all the high-level political people? I cannot tamper anything. They fail because you see the government official have to go through certain procedures, rules. They go slowly, step by step. But what happened? They expose it, leak it out. Because why? They're afraid that I might be free. No one will be able to. So that they put me on constant duress. How many months? It started from August last year. Whatever pressure they have put to me, see, I still have faith in the judiciary and no one else. But my life, my family member's life is at stake. And I will tell you, as a local, I have given my best. I'm a Khasi officer who sit in that chair, very young, it's too junior for so many people to be sit in that AIGA chair. Because they can't see. During my time, so much things are happening. People are getting, the department is getting. And then, envy. And then I don't belong to a particular group A, B, or C. I just know my work and what I'm supposed to do. What orders I get, I do. Fine, I'm only human. I might err somewhere. But why are they crucifying me like this?